Welcome to the first episode of Food Facts, where we share things that will make you say, huh, I didn't know that. Some examples are the origins of an ingredient and/or iconic dish, greens. Most Europeans who had wealth in the 17th, 16th century did not consume a large amount of produce when it came to things like greens. They thought that was poor people's food. So they did. And if they did consume produce like fruit, it would be cooked down to the point where you could barely recognize it. It was the Africans that introduced to the diet of people in the Americas the concept of eating a large amount of greens. It was just a part of the culture of eating bush greens. So if you think about kale, if you think about collard greens, a lot of these come out of what we would call bush greens, which Africans would consume. That's it for this edition of Food Facts. Check out the show notes for additional information on this episode. To learn more, visit fredopie.com.